Mamayang gabi na busy. So mag-unboxing ko. Order sa Zalando na po. Pang gifts ni Nako. Let's have unboxing. Zalando. The receipt. So, ganito yung papa. Ganito ang Roland. Bukas ang Roland. Ganito ang short ko. Ganito siyang mama. Ipahit ko. Sa lukar, di ba ka naman? Okay, yung pulos. So, let's open. Or, let's try. I don't want to try. I'll open it. Let's open it to make sure it's good purchase. Like this short. See? Oh my god, it's big to him. I really don't know. But if it's big on her, it's 33. Ay, naku Lord. Ay, siyang papa. Extra large. Extra large ni. Hindi ko kaya siyang papa. I don't know. That's it. Ako na siyang gipalit. Pag katong makapas sa Black Friday. Bye.